Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today's DT based video is two difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Here we are seeing the construction model of the two-stroke and four-stroke engine. This is two-stroke engine. This is four-stroke engine. When we are seeing initially, how will you find this is to identify this is two-stroke and four-stroke means in two-stroke there is no valves will be available. This is the valve. In two-stroke, no valves will be available. In four-stroke, there is a inlet valve and exhaust valve will be available.
So what are the parts in two-stroke engines?
In two-stroke engine, the main component is ports, cylinder, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft, and spark plug, and the other components. Here, the carburetor is the one more part in the two-stroke, which is mixing the air and the fuel. In this case, fuel is petrol, air is air. So, both are mixed in the carburetor and it is sent to the engine cylinder.
Sir, what is the working principle of
The working principle of two-stroke engine is it has four different strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, combustion stroke, and exhaust stroke. Suction and compression is both happening in one single stroke, and the power and exhaust both are in other stroke. So, two stroke only. Within one revolution, it will complete all the cycle, so the power will be developed. Here, the inlet, through the inlet port, the air fuel mixture will enter. Through the transfer port, from the crankcase, it is sent via the transfer port into the cylinder. After combustion, the final stroke is exhaust stroke. The gases will be come out through the exhaust pipe and it will send to the atmosphere.
Sir, what is the difference between two-stroke and a four-stroke engine, sir?
In two-stroke engine, the piston moves from TDC to BDC. TDC I am explained top dead center, BDC to bottom dead center. Piston once moving from top dead center to bottom dead center, and again bottom dead center to top dead center. All the cycle will be completed. But in case of four-stroke engine, each stroke is separately mentioned. One is suction means piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center to top dead center. This is the first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. During the first stroke, what is happening? From the carburetor, the air fuel mixture enters into the engine cylinder through the inlet valve. Next stroke is compression means both the valves are closed, air fuel mixture is compressed, volume is reduced, pressure and temperature will rise in the at the time we are igniting the spark so that the combustion takes place. A sudden explosion of piston will happen, the piston will move downwards, so the power will be transmitted to the flywheel and it is sent to the rear wheel. These four strokes will be repeated constantly. The main difference is in two-stroke engine there is no valves. In four-stroke engines there are valves. That is the main difference. When you are seeing the object, how will you identify this is two-stroke, this is four-stroke means valve. Valves available means four-stroke, ports available means two-stroke. That is the main.
So what is flywheel?
Flywheel is it is an energy storing device. When the power stroke is happening, it starts to rotate. The flywheel will transmit power to the rear wheel by connecting what are the components in between flywheel and rear wheel means flywheel and through the chain and the other components, the power is transmitted to the rear wheel. This is the construction model. We can identify easily two-stroke and four-stroke. Why the pins are here arranged means for easy heat dissipation, for cooling purpose. There are two coolings are there. One is air cooling, another one is water cooling. In the both the model, we are using only the air cooling only, because the fins are located, because through the fins the air heat will be liberated to the atmosphere. Okay, this is the purpose of fins. Here also the fins are available to transmit the heat. There is no water cooling here in this section, only air cooling. You have any doubt? And the purpose of